Almighty, who changed day into night and night into day. As you all know, that today we are celebrating Result Day. On this day, I want to share my ideas about pollution. Pollution means to make an area substance or dirty, usually air, water or earth. There are many types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Air pollution is mostly caused by the excessive emission of gases or smoke. There are vehicles that emit excessive smoke, which causes air pollution. There are two commonly effects of air pollution: acid rain, etc. Pollution causes many diseases like hepatitis, diarrhea. Water pollution is also harmful for marine life. Noise pollution is another kind of pollution that we face in our daily life. Noise pollution is produced by pressure, horns, loud music and unnecessary use of loudspeakers. That's all. Thank you.